What's up, YouTube? We got a Motovox mini bike here. My buddy was someone was throwing this thing in the trash. They didn't want it no more. It was taking up space in their basement. It had a 2.5 horsepower motor on it, and it didn't run when he got it. Obviously, it was just he said it was junk. So my buddy got it out of the trash, and he ended up getting the 2.5 horsepower motor running on it, and it didn't pull him very well. So what he did was he went and bought a 6.5 horsepower Predator 212cc, and this thing is probably the most dangerous thing I've ever rode. It has no brakes on it. The brakes, there's just no brakes. It's a death trap for sure, but I'm gonna tell you, this thing has a lot of power. It's crazy, actually. I think everybody that's rode it has probably wrecked it, and he's gonna ride it around and show you what it runs like. I'm gonna see if I can get him to do a burnout for us. What do you guys think? Think I can? By the way, all these black marks on my road is from his car, so I'm pretty sure I can get him to do a burnout. You gonna do a burnout for us? Chain popped off, guys, but that was a pretty decent little burnout there. I'll have to get him to bring his car over and show you guys some black marks he left. He's crazy. He don't care. He burn tire all day long. But if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, comment. Need subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you later.